Here with a look at Kadena. All right, this is the video I did the other day. I left that line right on there. You can see we actually poked up a little bit higher than what I was pointing at there. I was pointing at about 51.25. This thing went up to 52.32. All right, so let's get this line off here now. All right, we got that breakout from here. Now let's see as far as a fib where we're at here, Fibonacci. Right up that 702. Okay, that is an area that we definitely want to break through. All right, for higher prices, we're going to move this resistance line up here because that's where it's peaked out. So obviously it has resistance up there. Okay, we're going to move that up there, and I want to show you a couple things. That 702. All right, how important that is. All right, first off, let's go back over here. Bitcoin dominance. All right. You can see once it got through that 702, look what happened. All right, the target is up at a 1.618, which was at 54.21. That thing came up there and nailed it perfectly. Okay, very important to get through them levels. Bitcoin. All right, same thing. Once it broke through them levels, look what happened to it. You know, its first target is up here at 36,000. 36,086, somewhere right around there. Okay, but you can see once it got through that 702, this is on the daily, got rejected the first time. All right, bounced down and then shot back up. All right, I don't know if Bitcoin dominance got rejected the first time. It did. Look at that. See how it hit the 702, got rejected, and then fired back up out of there, and look what it's done ever since. All right, so with Kadena, you can see how important that 702 is. All right, I believe in these Fibonacci levels wholeheartedly. Okay, so the first time we have hit that on the daily, right now we have a daily RSI. Look at that, 95.29 and 95.29 right over here. Exactly the same. All right, now let's take a look at some of these other RSIs here. All right, you know, and if we do get through these levels, you know, that target up here at roughly 67 cents would be the first target we'd be looking at up there. Okay, so let me see something here first. Apparently my Wi-Fi, I'm out in my little garage office area. There we go. I apologize about that. And I didn't bring my booster out today, so you can see we have some volume coming in here. All right, that daily RSI is getting towards the top. The weekly turning back up, 75 and a 71. Look how low it is down here. I want to point this out. It's at a 39. Okay, this thing can get a lot higher. All right, look at here. It went up to a 95. All right, we're at a 39. What does that tell me? Price increase. Okay, I believe this run is definitely not over. Okay, the daily, where was it at down there? It is at a 61. Okay, down here on the RSI, it's already showing it pretty close to this previous high over here on the RSI, so that's looking very good. The 12 hours up there, it's at it is in a corrective mode, 89 and a 92. I'm sure the 8 and a 4 are correcting to 69 and a 84. Look how high it got down here. It went up to a 79 down here. Okay, the 4 hour is also correcting at 54 and a 77. No bearish divergences at all. Okay, this looks like, quite honestly, what it looks like to me. You know, let's get this off here first. All right, looks like a 5-wave up. It absolutely does. You know, if I had to be looking at this, you'd have a 1, 2, 3, 4, your 4th wave pullback, and then your 5th wave up. Okay, now normally you can get a 5th wave target with your fib. You know, say this 4th wave, say it pulls back down to there. All right, that target would be up at 56.37. Now, let me look at a couple things here. If we get through there, then that's definitely going to be higher higher price targets. Okay, right now we're at that 702. All right, if we measure that out, that fourth wave, yeah, it would put us through that. So we'd be looking at higher prices than that. You know, that 1618, like I said, is up at 67 cents. That's what I would be looking for. Now, does that line up with any major support and resistance areas? Let's look here. Actually 65 cents right around there would be a very good, that's a resistance area there. You know, of course, that first area 58.77, that would be the first area to break through. That would be the previous, is that the previous high over there? Yeah, that's the previous high way back over there. Okay, that would be your first area to get through if we bust up through here. Okay, then we're looking at 58.77. Then we would be looking towards the 65-cent area. Okay, so this thing could cool off for a little bit. You can see on the 4-hour, you can see the pullback. Now what would neglect this 5 waves up is if we took out that area right there. Okay, that would put us below our wave 1. That would take out this whole thing. Okay, so if this thing ends up, if it broke down below you know, call it 45 cents, then this whole thing is out. Okay, then it wouldn't be doing no 5 waves up. All right, as long as it holds above that, things would look fine. All right, usually your fourth wave is your most complex, biggest pullback. If wave 2 is not complex, then wave 4 is gonna be. All right, that's how the Elliott waves work. Wave 2 is not complex. Wave 4 is going to be a bigger pullback, a complexer pullback. Complexer, I don't even know if that's a word. A more complex pullback, and then your fifth wave up. Okay, so all right, this thing is looking fine right now. We hit our price target from the other day. Like I said, we actually exceeded it a little bit. I expected it around the 51 area. It ended up heading up to 52.32, so we did peak up above that. Looking for a fourth wave pullback here a little bit. Could pull right down to this 45 cents as long as it don't break it. Okay, could pull right down to it and then bounce up from there. So all right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.